This is how you solve a Rubik's Cube in 5 easy steps.
Oh, didn't see you there.
So you want to solve a Rubik's Cube, eh? Tired of spending hours watching YouTube videos? Well, I'm going to teach you 5 easy steps to solving a Rubik's Cube. This is Gerald. He doesn't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, do you, Gerald?
No.
Okay, step 1. Place the cube on a flat and stable surface. Step 2. Have the white centerpiece facing up. Step 3. Pull out a hammer and smash the cube into little pieces. That's enough, Gerald. Gerald.
Don't mess with me.
Step 4. Put the pieces into a garbage bag. Step 5. Throw it in the trash. And there you go. Problem solved.